Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video tutorial, I am going to explain what is the difference between abstract class and interface in C#. So let's start. So the first major difference between abstract class and interface is abstract class can contain both abstract methods and non-abstract method, which is the concrete members. Interface only contains the abstract members. Abstract members are those members which only provides the signature of its methods and the implementation is provided by another one. The second difference is abstract class. In case of abstract class, all members are not public by default. In case of interface, all the members of interface are public by default. Then the third difference is abstract class can have constructor, whereas interface cannot have a constructor. The next difference is abstract class can inherit from another class, whereas the interface cannot inherit from another class. The next difference is the abstract class provides a partial implementation because they contains abstract members, whereas interface provides no implementation as they only contain abstract members and the implementation of abstract members is provided by another class which is inheriting them. So in which case we need to use abstract class? So when you want to provide a partial implementation and we want that our subclasses to share a state and behavior, in that case we will use abstract class. And when to use an interface? When you want to define a contract or set of methods that must be implemented without providing any implementation, then in that scenario we will use interface. So these are the basic difference between abstract class and interface. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.